follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety